What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Oh, hey, Showtime, how are you? Long
Everything,
time.
Chris? Good.
This is my boyfriend Jay.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Well, on Jay. Everything, Chris?
He's Jamaican.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican?
Yeah, guys.
I see this now, you generate. What a Jamaica you come from?
My youth, which part of blood clot Jamaica you come from?
Babe,
Oh, what's up?
you told me you're from Kingston.
Yeah, I'm from Kingston, guys.
Yeah. Man, yo, stupid, I hear this. Oh, yo, which Kingston, which school
Yeah.
you go?
School, you know,
What did I hear it, yeah?
I came
No,
here.
my youth, which blood clot school you come from?
You know what, guys? I came here when I was younger, so I don't really remember.
Didn't you tell me you came here 2 years ago?
Babe, I have something to tell you. You know what? My boy told me that you like Jamaican guys, so I kind of faked that I was Jamaican.
So you're lying?
But that's the only way, babe. But you know what? That's a past, though. You know what I mean? So we could just sketch it up.
So, fuck you.
Babe,
I don't want nothing
babes,
to do with
babes.
you, so you guys could deal with it.
Babes, really?
My youth, screw face, pass me the park right now. I want to slap one on them.
Yeah.
I want him to you. Yo, want to them, boy. Yo, drop it thing. Where my run go?
I'm telling you that there.
Yeah. I find them in the way I pull over blood clot. Come here, dog. Idiot. My youth, it's a long time.